You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make PHP project banking system. It's a part 1 of the totally 10 parts. In this video, we'll cover like introduction to the project, what are the things we can do it in the project, synopsis, how to design the synopsis, how to make a synopsis for this particular project, and the table design. What are the tables are required for this project and what are the columns you required, that all we'll discuss in this video. You can also download this project. We'll provide you the link, therefore you can get the complete source code, but we insist watch the video and learn yourself. If you learn yourself, then you have a lot of advantages. So this is a PHP project. We are using the exam server here, and MySQL is a backend, particularly MariaDB, because now with the exam MariaDB will be deployed. So PHP with MySQL and the exam server. So this video is useful for the two category of people. One is student who wish to do the project, other one who looking for a job. So like as per your curriculum you need to do a job, or once you complete your course you are looking for a job. So if you're looking for a job, you need to have strong development skills. Without that, getting a job is very, very difficult nowadays. So in order to get the experience or the skills, you need to learn your own, like how to do this. Therefore you require skills, you require education, you require experience. Unless you not get into the company, you will not get the experience. But in IT is not the case. For any other kind of works, you have to get a work experience in the company. But whereas in IT, it's almost same whether you sit in a home and practice or you go to the company and do that. Almost same actually. Therefore, whatever we shown here, whatever you explained in this project, you learn in your home itself and make the complete project ready. And an interview time, you can tell them like this is the project you have done. So that is, you will do the job. Therefore, it will give a kind of experience. Therefore, you can always get the experience even you do this project also. So once you have an experience, you don't need to stand for a long queue to get the job, because you're skilled, so therefore easy to get the job. That people who have a good skill, they'll get the job quickly. Therefore, if you're looking for a job like full stack developer or PHP developer, web designer, so this project definitely will help you all these kind of applications. Let's talk about the project. This project will discuss two modules. One is the admin module and the customer module. So definitely for banking, we record one admin module and the customer module. So we'll see that how do we design, what are the things customer can do with this particular bank, how do you open the account and all these things. So banking is a very known concept. So therefore we have taken this project as a first project to explain you. So in this series, maybe we'll come out with the different projects too. Keep watch our channel. Let's understand banking. So we all know, like in case of banking, so where customer, because it's online banking, so as a customer, what you can do is you can sign up. When you sign up, you can sign up with a particular type of account. So therefore, in the admin side, so here is admin. We can create admin type. Account type. What type of accounts we can open in our bank? So even in the SBI account or current account or different types of accounts what are available. So therefore you can create an account type in the admin. So in that you can say account name, what are the facilities you'll get, advantages, and the minimum balance you have to maintain. All this will enter here. Therefore before sign up, so here what we can do is we can give the list of account types. Account type list. So for which account type you want, you can just select it and then you can go to sign up. So once you sign up, so the account has to be approved. So therefore here you can see that customer list or customer approval. So you can give the approval for the customer. Once it's approved, so his account is ready. Now you can able to log in. He can log into his account. After login, what you can do is he can deposit, because you need to come on to the company first time. You need to deposit. Otherwise, from the other account we can transfer. But anyway, we provide only the admin to deposit first time. So therefore the money will go to his account. So therefore here you can see that check balance. So you can check the balance, what is balance available in this account. Then you can have a transfer. So what are the money you're having, you could be able to transfer to other bank accounts. Then you can say pay online, pay bill. So you can pay the bills so via this account. And then here you can see the transaction list. What are the transaction done? That list you can able to see it here. Now from this side, so this is the deposit and the corresponding list, and here is the transfer list. If we done some transfer, then transfer list we can able to see that, and bill payment list, bill payment for which are the companies you make the payment, that we can able to see it here. So admin can do all these activities and the customer can do all these activities. For each one we can design the corresponding table. For example, this is account type table. So in these 4 columns, so when the customer sign up, so we can create one more table. So this is the customer table or customer account table. So here is the account type, what type of account it is. So what is the account ID? Account ID customer can choose. What is the password? What is the name, address, mobile number, then you can have an email ID. So all these details we can collect from the when you sign up. Then you can log in based on these credentials, and then you can have a transaction table. Transaction table. So in case of transaction table, you can have a date, what date it is. So account ID. So then you can have a debit, then credit. So all these details, so if you enter, so for any customer you can able to find out what is his debited amount, what is credited amount, and what is the balance, and all we can find out using this table. So we'll see all this practically, and we'll design all these tables. When you go to the PHPMyAdmin, there you can create all the tables, and then later we can link it to each page, and we'll do that. Okay, so we'll explain you all this step by step. Follow these videos, and you can also try yourself also. You can also, as we told already, you can download from this particular location. We have other projects also here. You can download other projects too. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Your subscription definitely will help us to improve our videos, and will provide you better facilities to download. Therefore easily you can download, you can learn, you can improve yourself, and also will help us to grow fast. Okay, therefore please subscribe, and subscription is totally free. So therefore you don't need to worry. So just click the subscribe button and then subscribe here. And if you like the video, you can click like button, and you want to say something to us, please write it in the comment box. So we also have other video, how to create and run PHP First project. Please watch this video also. Here also a lot of things are explained already, and the link is available in the description below the video. So therefore check out this and watch this. You want to become a PHP programmer, definitely will help you. So if you come to our channel iBlix tutorials, and if you click videos, here you can see different project videos over here. And if you particularly about PHP, so here we have videos related to the PHP also. So and also you can see that how to create synopsis, Viva questions. So here you have the first project, like how to run the first project. So a PHP Aadhaar card. And here we have how to install XAMPP. So therefore all these options are provided in our channel. So to learn Python or PHP, lot of videos are provided over here. So when you have free time, so please browse and make a mark on this, and then you can watch the video when you have free time. So therefore please subscribe and look at all the videos, and then whichever the one you are interested, so just watch them, and also you can learn. Okay, there is an advantage you're getting. Now as a synopsis concern for this particular project, so here you can have a synopsis, banking administration. First you need to provide the introductions and about the bank, and what are the things we can do here, and in the savings account, what are the options in the savings account, and about this project, why this project, what are the scope of this project, what are the advantage you are getting, and the banking admission, what it can do. So here are some more advantages, and what is the purpose of this project, and what is the scope, and what are the objectives. And then you need to write hardware requirement. So here is the hardware requirement, and here is the software requirement. So all this is available for you to download. So as we already given the link, so you have to go to that link and you can download the file, and when you unzip, you will get this document and also all the table structure and the complete project. So as you insist, anyhow, you please try your own, that is always better. Okay, so we'll meet you again in next video. So we'll explain you like how you can start the how you can start the project using the Notepad++. Thank you.